Explore the big blue world!
Wait, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh!
Where?
That's why we're trying to find.
Find who?
Nemo!
Whoa! You're like totally stopped. Well, Choo-choo-choo, here's what you do. Stay in your seats while the crush man sees what he can do to get you moving again. In the big old blip.
You only smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help.
It's Nemo!
Where?
No, that's why we're trying to find.
Find who?
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Listen up, explorers. Good news. Stay in your seats because we're about to get started again. Keep your eye out for Nemo along the way. Oh, let's go.
Smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help.
It's Nemo!
Where?
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink.
It's jellyfish!
Good.
Sorry, do something!
Hey, Santa Claus. Can't touch me.
Swim away!
Peekaboo. Look, I'm scared now.
Stop fooling around!
I wonder if now fish
Nemo! Why don't you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what I'd give for a little bite!
Clownfish, where are you?
Swim over and say good day to your old pal Bruce. Don't worry, morsel, mate. Fish are friends for food.
Just put your fins out and go with the flow.
I miss the excitement of the dentist's office.
Hey, open wide. Have you got any ferns? Tomatoes, fries?